Okay friends, so in this video I'm going to show you the cross-site scripting, sorry, my bad. It's a cross-site request forgery on Logout Button. So you can see here, one of my account is already logged in here, right? And the other one with the same name, with the same ID, it is there, right? So both are in the, if you can see here, okay, let me drop down. Okay, so you can see here both are the different browsers. This one is Mozilla and that one is Google Chrome. Now what I will do, I will just go there, right? And there is a logout button. So before this, what I will do, just go in the intercept button, click on, go here and just click logout, right? So once you will click on that logout button, okay, so let me forward this. Okay, host is different one, forward Peter England. Oh, great. So let me move this. Okay. Oops. Right. So now what we can see here that there is a logout one, right? So we got the correct packet. So what I will do here, just right click, and what you need to do, just go in the engagement tools and generate CSRF POC, right? And I'm going to copy this HTML, just copy in the HTML and open one of the notepad. I'm opening the notepad, saving it and control S. And what I'm saving, CSRF Peter England, right? Dot HTML, because it's a HTML file, right? So I'm saving it as a .html. Save the file. Okay, so where I have saved, let me check it. I just forgot. Save as on desktop. Great, right? So what I will do, if you can see here, okay, let me forward and intercept is on. So if you can see here, it is already log out in the Mozilla Firefox, right? So but with that request which we already captured, still here it is. If you can see here, if I click on the shop button, it's still loading, and my account is already logged in. But I'm going to do what I'm going to do, let me show you. So here is the that one HTML request. So I'm just going to double click that and let's see what is happening here. Here is the submit button. Let's submit it. Okay. So now you can see here that account which is logged in that Google Chrome is also logged out with the request of that one Mozilla one. So the request which has been captured in through that Mozilla Firefox account one, that is directly impacted the other victim, right? So if you can see, if I reload this one, just reload that, so I can say, see here, there is no one registered, so there is no one logged in. So this is CSRF cross-site request forgery, uh, which you can do uh, from one website to another website, or you can make two accounts, make one account. So this is the CSRF on logout button, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye, take care.